Thank you, Dennis. Rome exerts an almost mythical pull on the imagination. It's the universal specific, if you like. It's the place that we all go back to compare ourselves, to measure ourselves, to test ourselves. Images of Rome, therefore, are both good and bad, both positive and negative. Certainly America's founding fathers thought the former. We see eagles, we see fasces, we see the Roman political system, we see Latin pen names. For America's founding fathers, Rome was a model of sorts. But the model that tends to exert the imagination most is the fall and the decline and the collapse of Rome. But by asking, are we Rome? Are we going to fall? We place our own concerns about our own lives on a bigger stage. So the question that I leave you with is this: is it, are we Rome, or is it, why have you asked?